Hello, today I'm going to talk about the experience in the Nevado del Ruiz. Initially, I will tell you about the means of transportation, then the place we meet, and finally the experience I had. The transportation. Here is what's in the transportation from the Bogota to Manizales. Talking transport in a bus, like leaving in night to arrive in the morning. It was nice. The Manizales, we took a car that to used to the snowy road. We say nature is very expensive. We said Páramos Frailejones. In the Nevado del Ruiz, we found the boat of the national park where they the welcome used to the Nevado, and we started the tour. It's magnificent. It's experience wonderful, and this very hot. In the experience in go to now to Manizales and this nature and Great Nevado del Ruiz. I go now the food in different restaurants with fritters, meats, beans, and custards. It's magnificent experience. Thank you very much.